Hello everyone, here in this video, first make a half ponytail, then pull out the hairs from within, then braid the leftover and tuck it above and then place the clip and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then roll up the ends and roll it around the bun you have made by twisting it and it's done. Moving on, first place the clip, then tuck the hair from the middle, then from the side and then from another side and then tie up the ends and then clip it below and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then leave it in the middle, tie up the end and roll it around the bun and then place the clip and it's done. Moving on, take the hairs from the side and then roll it once, then pull out the hairs from within, then after doing it, pull out again from below and this forms a shape of a heart and then pin the leftover in the middle from above and it's done. Moving on, first make a half ponytail, then wrap up a pin around it and pin it up. These are some daily and elegant hairstyles that you can make anywhere and anytime. Moving on, first make 2 braids side by side, then roll them above, then tighten it and tie it from the end and insert it inside and then place the clip. Moving on, first take some hairs from the middle and roll it, then pin it up, then tuck the hairs in the clip. Now from this side, then roll the end and place the clip. Moving on, first make a ponytail, tie it from the middle, then place the clip in between and it's done. Moving on, first place the clip, then tuck the hairs from the middle, then from the sides. Moving on, first make a ponytail, leave it in between, then tie the leftover around it and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, tie it in between, then roll it once, then roll the ponytail above and the leftover wrap it around it and it's done. Now place the clip from below. These are some hairstyles you can make anywhere and it always gives a beautiful look to any outfit. Moving on, first make a half ponytail, roll it once, then tie the entire hair, then pull it from within, then roll the end and stick it to the side and then pin it up. Moving on, first make a half ponytail, roll it once, then braid the hairs into halves, then pull it from above, then wrap the ends and pin it up below and place the clip. Moving on, first make a small fishtail, then wrap up the ponytail from between, roll it once and then around the bun and then encircle it and tie the end below and then place a clip. Moving on, first make a small ponytail, leaving some hairs from the side, then make a braid of it, then roll it once and pin it up. Then take the side hairs and place the clip and tighten it. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then roll it once from the middle, then roll up the hairs, tying it ends and then place the clip in between. Moving on, first wrap up the hairs and place the clip as shown, then tie up the end and insert it inside and it's done. Thank you for watching.